Toastmasters and guests. Never give up. Keep trying and move forward to achieve your goals. The world we live in is demanding, and always it demands us to perform well. The things will not plan according what we plan. It will not happen as per our plan. We fail in performing small things like keeping up an diet plan, doing a regular exercise, coming to office on time, so on. Even we have much challenges when we talk about the long-term goals. Long-term goals like overcoming and addiction, finding an employment. When I say employment, example, a person goes for an interview for the 4th time or 5th time and he fails to get a job. He thinks that I cannot do well and this is the last time I am going, and then he refuses to attend any interviews. Coming back, sometimes we fall onto keeping a good relationship. Maybe in a colleges or in school times we had friends, good enough friends, and now when we moved on to our corporate life, we must have forgotten them and we don't keep any touch with them. Here we have created a distance between them and we fail. So all these learning experiences will help us to success in life, and all these learnings are the stones for our future life and have a beautiful life. Let me tell a story. A farmer had a donkey and one day it fell down into the well. The donkey cried for hours and finally the farmer was figuring out the solution. He didn't find any solution. He called all his neighbors. When the neighbors gathered, they just discussed and they thought that the donkey was too old and it is good for nothing. So parallelly they also had a thought of closing the well. So what they have taken a combined decision, and they came to a conclusion that they will put all the garbage into the well. They started doing this every day, and here the donkey didn't had any clue what is happening. So it started crying out loudly, and after after some days it stopped. And this happened as a regular workout for all the neighbors. And one day the farmer looks into the well and he was surprised and shocked to see the changes. The donkey has had an idea and it worked out throughout its life. Into the well, when it was in the well, it had that challenge and it worked out better. What it has done is, whenever the people threw the garbage, it used to clear his back, and it was able to step up. So after so many days of workout, it was able to reach the edge of the well and happily it trotted off. When a donkey can do so much of exercise and very dedicated, as a human being, why we are failing to achieve our goals, and frequently we fail. Every trouble in our life is a learning point for us and to move a step ahead. The world always throw a stone on you when you have a path of success. It is up to you how you use them, either by constructing a wall or a bridge. Over to you.